If Instagram flagged your account for suspicious activity after growth, you're about to lose everything you built, and here's how ReputationZilla fixes it in 72 hours. Here's the problem: Instagram thinks you bought fake followers, even if you didn't. Stop all third-party apps connected to your account within 6 hours of the flag. Switch to manual activity only for 48 hours, no automation, no scheduled posts. Instagram's AI flags accounts when follower velocity spikes 300% or more in 7 days. You gain 2,000 real followers from a viral reel, Instagram assumes you bought them. Within 24 hours your reach drops 85%, your posts vanish from hashtags, and you can't comment or DM. This is exactly why we built ReputationZilla, to handle Instagram account recovery when growth triggers false positives. The stakes are simple: you lose access to 12 months of audience building if you don't act fast. Most people fail here. They ignore the flag, keep posting, or worse, they delete the app and reinstall it hoping the restriction clears. Instagram logs that as evasion. Your account gets escalated to permanent review. With ReputationZilla we submit the appeal with proof of organic growth, video analytics showing real watch time, and third-party app audit logs. That's how 91% of our clients get unflagged within 72 hours instead of waiting the default 14 to 30 days. Step 2. Disconnect every third-party app in your Instagram settings within 6 hours. Go to Settings, Security, Apps and Websites, remove everything except Meta Business Suite. Instagram's system scans for automation tools like Jarvee, Ingrammer, or old scheduling apps. Even a dormant connection from 2026 can trigger the flag. ReputationZilla audits your app permissions as part of account recovery. Step 3. File the appeal through Instagram's in-app form, not email. Tap the flag notification, select I didn't violate policy, then upload proof. This is important. Attach a screenshot of your Instagram insights showing follower source breakdown, 78% from explore or hashtags, 14% from shares, 8% from profile visits. Instagram's reviewers prioritize appeals with data. Without it, your case sits in queue for 21 days on average. Here's the problem: if you wait longer than 48 hours to appeal, Instagram's automated review closes your case as resolved, and the restriction becomes permanent. 63% of flagged accounts that don't appeal within 2 days lose access to stories, reels posting, and DMs for 90 days minimum. That's a full quarter of lost revenue if you're a creator or business account. Advanced step: when you file the appeal, use this exact wording in the text box. Copy this verbatim: my account was flagged after organic growth from a viral reel posted on date. I have not used third-party automation, purchased followers, or violated community guidelines. Attached, Instagram Insight screenshot showing follower source breakdown. Request manual review of my account activity from start date to flag date. Account handle, your handle, dot. This phrasing hits every keyword Instagram's review algorithm scans for. Or skip all this and let ReputationZilla handle it for you. We file the appeal, provide the audit trail, and follow up with Instagram's compliance team until the flag is removed. My account was flagged after organic growth from a viral reel posted on date. I have not used third-party automation, purchased followers, or violated community guidelines. Attached, Instagram Insight screenshot showing follower source breakdown. Request manual review of my account activity from start date to flag date. Account handle, your handle. Disconnect all third-party apps within 6 hours. Appeal in-app with insights proof within 48 hours. Stop wasting weeks. ReputationZilla unflagged 91% of accounts in 72 hours, link in description. If this saved your account, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit ReputationZilla for instant help. Visit https://reputationzilla.org.